In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power steering pump pulley on this BMW X5. This is going to be located at the base of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to loosen up these bolts before we take the belt off. Use a 13mm socket. And just crack them free. That's good. Now we'll take the belt off. If you look up where the tensioner is, there should be a little cap. You just want to use a pick or a straight blade screwdriver and just get under the cap, pop that off. Then you're going to use a T50 socket. Just watch out for the fan. Take the tension off. And then we'll pull the belt off the pulley. Slide that off. Release the tension. Just going to leave that like that. I'm just going to take the bolts out. And grab the pulley. And it should come right off. You use a pry bar. And just pry the pulley off. This is a little bit stuck on here, so I'm just using a pry bar. Just giving it a tap in the middle with a hammer. Just rotating it. And just pop it off. Put the pulley on, get that lined up, and push that on, and get the bolt started. Might have to rotate this a little. Get these lined up. I'll get the bolt started and then push it down. Makes it a little easier. Just snug these down first before we put the belt on, then we can tighten them down a little more. Grab the belt, pull it in position. Grab the ratchet that's on the tensioner. And go around the pulley. There we go, that's around the pulley. Now we can torque these to 20 foot-pounds. You might have to rotate it till it gets to about that location and it's easier to torque. There you go, those are all torqued. If you have the cap, you want to put that on the tensioner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.